Heading: Organizational Behavior, OB. Side heading: Definition. Definition: Organizational behavior, OB, is the systematic study of how individuals, groups, and organizational structure influence behavior within an organization to improve organizational effectiveness. Heading: Goals of organizational behavior. Side heading: Goal 1. Describe behavior. First point: to understand and describe how people behave in an organization. Second point: it helps managers identify different employee behaviors. Side heading: Goal 2. Understand behavior. First point: to understand the reasons behind employees' actions and behavior. Second point: it helps managers know why employees behave in a particular way. Side heading: Goal 3. Predict behavior. First point: to predict how employees are likely to behave in different situations. Second point: it helps organizations prepare for future challenges. Side heading: Goal 4. Control behavior. First point: to influence and guide employee behavior toward organizational goals. Second point: it helps maintain discipline and improve performance. Heading: Characteristics of organizational behavior 9. Side heading: Characteristic 1. Behavioral approach. First point: OB focuses on the behavior of individuals and groups. Side heading: Characteristic 2. Scientific approach. First point: OB uses scientific methods, research, and observation to study behavior. Side heading: Characteristic 3. System approach. First point: OB considers the organization as an interconnected system. Side heading: Characteristic 4. Interdisciplinary nature. First point: OB combines knowledge from psychology, sociology, anthropology, economics, and management. Side heading: Characteristic 5. Goal-oriented. First point: OB helps achieve both individual and organizational goals. Side heading: Characteristic 6. Humanistic approach. First point: OB values employees as important organizational resources. Second point: it focuses on employee welfare and satisfaction. Side heading: Characteristic 7. Contingency approach. First point: OB believes there is no single best way to manage people. Second point: management practices depend on the situation. Side heading: Characteristic 8. Dynamic nature. First point: OB continuously changes according to people, technology, and the work environment. Side heading: Characteristic 9. Performance-oriented. First point. OB aims to improve employee productivity and organizational effectiveness.